Hi, let's suppose I want to find out all this redeem, and then I want to find out that where I do have this redeem keywords, any variable names, and then number to a specific things like number. It could be 0 to or 1 to or 5 to whatever. Okay, so I want to find out which has this redeem keywords, any number of variable names, like any length of variable name, and then 1 to or 2 to or 0 to. So in that case, we can do like this, that redeem and any number of character. For that use asterisks, and then for number like 1 2, then use this hash sign and then space and then 2. Now if I just find next, you can see redeem result array 1 2, right? So this redeem is this redeem part, asterisk is this result array and open parent, and 1 is the number part, space 2, and that's it. Like this, like this, like this. And now you can see that it's really helpful to find out the places where we have the redimensioning the array, right? So you can find out those places. So that's it for this video. Have a good day.